Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance Weekly Tips and Tricks. Our tip for this week is about using a digital writing assistant called Grammarly. Just imagine this. You wrote an email to your boss or clients, and within seconds after you hit that send button, you then notice misspelled words or incorrect grammars. To avoid this, writing assistants like Grammarly catch these types of writing errors and help you send the right message to the recipients even if you're just using the free version. Here's how. First things first, we need to have Grammarly installed in our desktop. Just Google, download, and then install Grammarly. Once the application is installed, open Microsoft Word or Outlook and start typing. You should see a floating Grammarly widget. This will check for errors and will provide suggestions. By clicking the suggestion, this will autocorrect your content. Just like that, it makes you look smarter and lets you enjoy a stress-free writing life. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.